Okay, so I picked up this love sign from our local Dollar General. And I am painting the heart with Republic Red from Wise Owl with a art brush. Then I grabbed Antique Villa and I painted the letters. Now this is all one piece, so I did separate the heart by adding a little point at the bottom just to separate it from the letters. That was the only thing that I really did add on my own. Once that dried, I dry brushed some white on the red heart. And then on the white letters, I dry brushed some black. This just gives it a little bit more interest. I grabbed these flowers for $7.99 at Hobby Lobby with 50% off. They're mini roses. And I grabbed this basket for $12.99, also at Hobby Lobby. And remember to always grab your 50% off. I found this interesting ribbon also at Hobby Lobby. And I used the ribbon to tie the wooden love plaque to the front. And I just tied a knot and cut the tails of the ribbon off. And then reshaped the tails into a loop and glued them in place. Just to get a more defined bow. And I glued that with a hot glue gun. Now this basket was a little see-through, so I took some burlap ribbon and wrapped it around the base of my flowers for some fill and just so that it appeared a little nicer than seeing the stems through the bottom. And I love this basket because it has a jute hanger, so you can hang it right to your door. If you enjoyed this video, go check us out on YouTube.